Hey, poopers. Yeah, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. I got lamb chops. And if you look, it's almost like a lamb T-bone. You know, like the New York strip and the fillet on that side. They're just simply seasoned with salt and pepper, okay? They're, 1.5 inches thick, American lamb, okay? I don't buy New Zealand. I don't buy Australian. If you don't have American lamb, I walk just like local. I like local. So, yeah, these are nice, man. And you know, if it was a beef, if it was a steer, you got that bone here. That's a T-bone or a porterhouse, okay? A pork chop, a rib chop would have that same bone. You'd have one side if it was a steer, a New York strip. This side, that side, the filet mignon, okay? And depending on the size of the filet mignon, you'd have a porterhouse or a T-bone. It's the same damn thing here, see? Bone, 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 T-bone. But this is lamb, as opposed to a mutton or an old sheep, okay? This is young American lamb. Got kosher salt on there, cracked black pepper. This is another cut of beef, or cut of meat, not beef. Tastes better than beef. Another cut of meat that you do not incinerate, okay? Now, yeah, sure, we've done quick grilling here. We've done smoke roasting here. We've done true blue barbecue here, okay? And that's exactly what we're doing. So I got, maybe 2 more minutes here. Yeah, because like I say, man, I do not want to burn the hell out. Because, you know, lamb is not cheap. So no meat is cheap nowadays, post-COVID, nothing's cheap, you know? So I'm not gonna get into why, how, supply chain BS and all the other crap. My wife's been in grocery and in distribution forever. I know the lowdown. A lot of you people don't. That's okay. That's why I'm here to educate and not talk politics, which I could do, but I won't because it's a waste of yours and mine time and it gets everybody down. I will say that Stephen A. Smith of ESPN is a pimp, a race-baiting liar, and I really don't like people like that. But that's about it, man. He's like the only person I have a problem with. So, if that's just one person, that's cool. Okay, man. And I guarantee you, he can't cook barbecue as good as me, or knows anything about weed. He may yell and scream like he does, but he don't. So, yeah, man, this is looking great, okay? I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna take them off and give you a beauty shot indoors. Okay? Hang loose, poopers. We'll be right back. I got my lamb chops. We began with 4. This one didn't make it through the garage door. I ate some of that and I ate some of that, but the other 3 are intact. Now, I made a simple can of sauce for it. And because you're not going to be eating this alone, you're going to have side dishes that we've done that are all medical. And here we go. This is Worcestershire soy sauce, cannabis oil, and garlic, and a 1/2 tablespoon of ground horseradish. I'm even putting it on there, even though I ate that chop. Okay, this is simple. All these recipes are in our e-cookbook, and that's available to you if you go to the comments section. So there you have it, man. Grilled baby American lamb, salt and pepper, and our special cannabis sauce with horseradish. adorned the tops. Hey, if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. So make sure you grab that cookbook, and my dogs love having you here, even though they're a pain in the ass sometimes. So if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose.